How to turn on bloom effect in Honkai Star Rail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily turn off the bloom effect in Honkai Star Rail game. To turn off the bloom effect in Honkai Star Rail, the first thing you want to do is to launch open the game. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left corner from your game. And once you're inside this expanded menu, click on the gear icon on the right. Once you open up this settings menu, go ahead and look for this graphic settings option. You'll be inside it immediately after you open settings. Now scroll down from the graphic option and look for this bloom effect. Tap on bloom effect and click on off. You can also go ahead and adjust it to medium, low, very low, high or very high. To turn it off completely, select off and click confirm. Now you can get back to your game and now the bloom effect has been turned off. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.